So the movement is operated by this 3 o'clock screw down crown. Nice threading action on the screw in and screw out action there. Nice pop out. First position changes your date wheel. Second position changes the time. Yeah, I mean, it's the VK63. I've had it in quite a few watches now. Really happy with it overall. And yeah, there's not a whole lot to complain about. I mean, it's like a 2 or 3 year battery life on it. Yeah, very happy, very accurate. This is like my 5th or 6th one that I've had. I've never had a problem with any of them. Chronograph operated by these 2 crowns here. So you press the top one here, nice solid click action there. Gets that chronograph second hand sweeping along. And then you press this one here and it just snaps right back into place. Really, really good feedback on both of those crowns. Very happy with it. The screw in, screw out action on the crowns. Yeah, really, really good. Very happy with, I mean, I've got no complaints with, I've got no complaints with the VK63. I've had it in so many watches and I still love it.